Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be about how a font can make or break a design. I mean, how many times have we seen an awesome design when we're searching for something on Etsy, but we don't like the font or it doesn't quite seem to fit? But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. And also, before I get into talking about choosing the right fonts and themes, because a font is like a theme, before I get into that, I wanted to thank the sponsor of this video, Snickers and Doodles for You. Thank you, Cindy, for sponsoring this video. I'm going to go into her shop a little bit here. Now, she's got a great cover photo, and she has a perfect mission statement here. Functional planner inserts and fun printables, which is what her shop is all about. I am going to leave a link to her shop in the description below. Please make sure you give her shop a visit. She's got some awesome things, and she has tons of things on sale. So she's got a lot of printer inserts like January, February, and she's starting on Valentine's Day. And I look over here and she's got 52 items on sale. So she's really doing all this. Now she's got a lot of fun items. So I'm going to first go ahead and just pull up her January calendar, which is a printable. You can purchase this right now for $4.50, and you can download this, and it is a PDF. And this is showing you everything that you're going to get. If you're kind of a planner freak like I am, then that's just kind of showing you everything that you're going to receive. And then she kind of shows the pages one by one. She even has Today I Feel, and she even has monthly reflections. So at the end of the month you can put things that you reflected on. And I feel that she's choosing fonts also that look great with her design as well. So this is just one of her many items here. And I wanted to go into some things because she's got a lot of fun things for baby and kids, and she even has bucket list. So I'm going to go into kids, and she's got a lot of printables, Learn My Address worksheet, kids monster affirmation. Like I said, she's really got a lot of fun. The name of her shop really reflects her business. So these are Kids Monster Affirmation to a Great Day, Tear Off Flyer, Positive Thoughts Poster, Affirmation Sign for Kids. Now, we've thought of affirmations for ourselves and positive affirmations because, if you're a parent, we've all been guilty. There's nothing like scolding your child and dropping them off at school, and we don't want to do that. So we want to start the day off with positive affirmations. So you can get this for $2.95 in her shop, and you can print it out right from home. So right here she's showing what it looks like in a mock-up photo, and she's just telling you this is a digital download, no physical item will be shipped. So just wanted to talk about a little bit about her items. She's just got some fun things. She has scavenger hunts. She's got a kid's Valentine's Day. So if you're planning on having a Valentine's Day party for your kids, she's got a scavenger hunt of items here to look for. And she's just showing everything here. And you can also get this for $2.95 in her shop. So I'll go to baby. She has a lot of really cute items in her shop here. This is the diaper raffle, and please bring a pack of diapers in any size for a chance to win a prize. So this is like baby shower items, and you can get this for $2.95 also. And you can print a bunch of these out on one piece of paper. These are like 10 per page, sort of like business card size. So these are just really cute. She's putting it in a mock-up photo showing what it would look like. So if you were having a baby shower, you could probably print one of these out and put these in some sort of a frame on a table. And then once again, showing that it is a digital item and no physical item will be shipped. So I'm going to head back over here to her shop, and I'm going to go here to her on sale tab. And these are all of the things that she currently has on sale, which are her monthly planners. And it's a great time to get a jump start on February and March of 2020. She also has her goal planners. She even has a bucket list, and you can get this for $2.95. She has date night ideas. I mean, just lots of fun items. So please be sure to give her shop a visit. She's got homework incentive card, positive behavior card, my chores incentive card, and one that you can write yourself. Everything you can think of, the food journal and food diary, health tracker. She has a lot of things, so she really does enjoy. Now, I want to read something that she has in her About Me section. I'm not going to actually go to her About Me section. I'm going to stay right here and just kind of focus on her shop. I love everything she's done here. So when she filled out the form to sign up for my sponsorship program, she said, I work full-time at a hospital in the business department. My niece gave me the push to open an Etsy shop, and I would love to make my shop my full-time job and my hospital job a part-time job. So hopefully with a lot of work and determination, I can accomplish that at some point down the road. Right now, I only have the Etsy shop, and my goal is to start working on a business Pinterest account. Pinterest, that's something very important, and I do have a video on Pinterest marketing and one coming. She said, I enjoy making minimal planner pages, but what I really enjoy is finding ones to make that are not typically what you consider the normal pages, even though I do offer those. And we showed you that in her planner pages, how she has it like today I feel, things like that are not normally included. Like all of us, I have more ideas than I have time to make, but my niece keeps telling me I am not in a race, but rather a marathon, and to go the distance. So great job. You got to give it to somebody who is working a full-time job, and then they're also working a side hustle because they want this to become their business. So thank you so much, Cindy, for sponsoring this video. Again, I will leave a link to Snickers and Doodles for you in the description below this video. Okay, so on to the topic of this video. I wanted to talk about fonts and how a font can make or break a design. So I have some fonts over here, and I've got them in different types of fonts. Right here, these are some designs I have made. This is a blank wedding card. This is nursery wall art that I also have that says, now I lay me down to sleep. And then here is just a beach themed notepad. Okay, so we've all seen it. We've seen an awesome design and it gets ruined by a font. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, so right here, we've got this beach-themed notepad, okay? If I took this font and I put it over here, and I'm even going to turn this white just so you can see it. Or let me see what color I can turn it to where you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so this font really just doesn't go with this beach theme type thing. I mean, it doesn't. And I have seen people make this common mistake of picking out a font. It just does not look beachy to me, okay? So with these two designs, this font would look better over here. Do you see? This is a wedding invitation. So this is more of a very fancy font, a script font, and this is something that would look better on a wedding invitation. Now, I'm not saying that this is the color, you have to have it. I usually fade my fonts a little bit just because of the harsh black. Or if you wanted to change the color of the font, you can always use the color dropper and you can pick one of the colors like that and it'll change the font. Okay, so we're basically playing a little game here of mixing and matching fonts. Okay, so now the beach theme, I mean, we could probably use this font and it would work, but really this is not something that stands out to me that looks like it would go with a beach theme. This one actually looks better here because this is something meant for a child. It kind of has that vibe to it. So I think that this one would look better here. Now on nursery art and things like that, you don't have to necessarily do a font like this. You can even change it to something, and I'll pause this video while I find another font that is meant for nursery. So I also chose a different font here. It really depends on what you want the mood and what you want the theme to be. Like if you were putting this in your nursery and you wanted it to say, "Now I lay me down to sleep." There are so many different options. So nursery can be a little bit tricky because you could possibly use a font similar to this one with this. Or if this is directed at kids, you want it to be kind of a fun and playful type of font. So once again on this, if you wanted to change the color, I like using this color dropper right here, and then you can go and pick one up, and it's a color that is inside here, and then it just works better that way. So I think that this would look great here, and when I originally made this, it said, "Now I lay me down to sleep." Okay, so back here, when making beach fonts, Luna is one of my favorite fonts, and I have always loved this font. It just seems to be a beachy type font to me. I can even like blow this up and look at it a little bit. I have some videos and this just seems this seems beachy to me. So we would definitely not want to put like this over here because that just doesn't work. So, just be careful when you're choosing your fonts. And once again, if you wanted to change the color, if we were putting something up here at the top and we wanted to change the color, you can always change the color or use the color dropper. And you can do something like that. So, but that doesn't really show up very well. So you can choose whatever color you like or whatever color you want this to be. So I hope that this was helpful to you. I could go on and on with several different more ideas, and just be careful on your fonts. Nothing will ruin a great design faster than the wrong font. So just keep that in mind. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you give Snickers and Doodles for You, her Etsy shop, make sure you give her a visit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.